What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix one of the most annoying, critical and important WordPress security issues. Anyone that knows WordPress knows that if you type, for example, if you are on any WordPress website homepage and type, for example, slash, just like this, into the URL bar, WP admin, just like this, they go to the WordPress login page and can, for example, find a way to reset password on. So this is a very annoying security problem. Okay, so how to hide the WordPress login page? This is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. So, how to make, if any person type your domain plus WP admin, it be redirected to another page of your site and don't see the WordPress login page. How to protect your WordPress login page. This is what you're gonna learn. So, first thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins, and click into the submenu, add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into search plugins field, there is an empty field. You're gonna click and type WPS hide login, just like this. And here is the guy that we're looking for, WPS hide login. Click on install now, then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins page, page where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And right here is the WP hide login. Now review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again and find the option settings. Hover a mouse over it and click into the last option, WPS hide login. So there is a new submenu added by the plugin. Next to privacy, click on it. You're gonna be redirected to this part, WPS hide login. Login URL, you're gonna be able to set up a new login URL for your site right here. Okay, for example, you can change it from WP admin to access, to login, to anything that you want. And you have a redirection URL. If anyone try to enter on a wrong login URL, for example, WP login, WP admin, just like this, as I showed previously, it's gonna be redirected to a new page of your site. It can be, for example, a store page, a blog page, a 404 page, any page that you want. You can enter with the end of the URL just like here, just right here. Simple, right? If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.